I want to challenge your environment. And you say, I've heard this before. I've heard the law of association, blah, 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 blah. But I want you to think about this. Environment or the law of association isn't just the cliche that we've heard of, you are the 5 people you hang around the most, right? If you're someone that's overweight and you're hanging out with 5 other overweight people, of course you're gonna be overweight. It's likely to impact you. That's the same thing with wealth. It's the same thing in all aspects of life, whether it's spiritually, mentally, physically, it doesn't matter what it is. But I want you to challenge that environment to a whole nother level. When we think about a seed, if I drop a seed on concrete, it's not gonna grow. It needs the right soil, right? It needs the right nourishment. It needs some water. It needs some sun. Well, the same thing for you. The environment for you is, yeah, it's personal development. You need to surround yourself with those voices, whether you're listening or you're reading personal development, so you consistently can get your brain to focus on solutions rather than problems, because the brain can only focus on one or the other. It can't focus on both problems and solutions at the same time. So you got to figure out which switch you're flipping on. Are you flipping the switch on to focus on solutions? Or are you flipping it off and now it's focused on problems? On top of that, here's one huge key these days with environment. Social media. Block, unfriend, unfollow. You have to protect that energy. You have to create boundaries. If someone's annoying you, fine, shame on them the first time, but anytime after that, shame on you. I don't care if they're close family or friends. Maybe you can't unfriend them, but maybe just mute them where you no longer see their content anymore. For me, I get on social media, I don't feel FOMO, I feel inspired. Because anyone that really bothers me, I know that that's an internal issue or insecurity I have. So either I block, unfriend, unfollow, or I challenge my own beliefs and say, why am I so insecure that I'm so judgmental and so annoyed by them? So now I get on social media and I absolutely love it. It inspires me to want to do more, be more, and connect with more people. So I challenge you to take your environment to the next level, and you'll take your business to the next level.